This is Sirius Black, and the Boston Celtics and the LA Lakers are playing each other on Sunday in LA. The last time they played was Game 7 of the finals, and this is what I gotta say about it all. The great sports event, Boston, LA, this is evident. No other rivalry is president. LA is the vice, Celtics are the president. Game 7 was scandalous, Celtics were Perkins. The refs were ludicrous, horrific and biased. Robbing the Celtics senseless, the dirty refs relentless. The finals were worthless, Game 7 manipulations, predetermined champions. I know I'm right, don't argue with me. This is Sirius Black, the wise to see. Rematch of finals, got to see. Boston, LA, the greatest rivalry. KG the D versus Kobe. PP the truth. Jesus Shuttlesworth. Bynum still hurt. Shaq on the lurk. Guess who's back? Perk. Celtics on a vengeance. Got them restless. KG's pure madness. This year's Kobe's leaving ringless. Sweat, blood, and tears, yes. Doc is fearless. And Rondo's diamond. Baby crib walking. Kobe aging bricking. Phil Jackson's quitting. Gasol still whitey. Honking. Celtics are better. Bet the cheddar. Shaq is clever. The trendsetter. Celtics LA. Who is better? Boston is hungrier. Lakers are lazier. Celtics are madder. LA is softer. LA is weaker. LA the sleeper. Celtics are fired up. Grit, battle, mud, enough. KG's the best. Don't underrest. The most respect test. The truth don't lie. The ball don't lie. Rushy Wallace. The truth is clutch. Ray Allen's automatic, but Kobe's sporadic. Brickaholic, partly moronic. Shaq's shamrocket. Celtic champions lock it. Greatest rivalry, Boston, LA, thang mang. Bird Magic, thang mang. KG, Kobe, thang mang. Let the game begin. This time LA Celtics win. Their Celtics win again. A week later in Boston. KG, rim rockin'. Celtic bobbleheads grinning. Championship rings winning. LA, stop tripping. Shaq's a Celtic, retiring. 36, 666. Shaq's a beast, out east. LA, for your city. Celtic Empire rising. Sunday matinee, Boston, LA. KG, Kobe, the true PP. Fish and Rondo, Fish about to get Rondo. Artest and Odom, the dumber and the dumb. Phil J, can't stop Ray Ray. Jesus all day. Bynum, his knees are bum bum. Big baby, big crazy. He's so clutch, it's insane. Kobe is average, while KG be a savage. The Celtics are angry, LA be scared B. Celtics are focused, home court for a purpose. LA soft schedule, but the Celtics are too invincible. Let this be made visible. Kobe's washed up, bro. Raped the hoe. Allegedly, though. He is no hero, he is a zero. Artist is a weirdo. Paul Gasol's a honko. Fisher be Kobe skipper, but Rondo be 10 times quicker. Revenge Sunday matinee, Boston, LA, hype frenzy. East Coast, West Coast, Tupac, Big A. Black Mamba versus K Jiggy. Bone on bone, flesh on flesh. Do or die, the rest be rest. It's time to rise and pound the chest. It's KG's turn, Boston Celtics.